Okay, we will start the section on aryl halides. What are aryl halides? What are aryl halides? Anyone? If the halogen is attached to benzene ring, it is termed as an aryl halide. There can be other substituents also attached onto the benzene ring, but if you are having a halogen on the benzene ring, it is called as aryl halide. Okay. Take care. Let us go to preparation methods. What are the characteristic reactions of benzene compounds?
Electrophilic
Yes.
substitution.
Yes.
EAS reaction, electrophilic aromatic substitution. Very good. So you can prepare an aryl halide with the help of EAS reaction. What is the reagent for that? What is the reagent for that? X2 in the presence of Fe or FeX3, right? If you are adding a Fe, that Fe will be first reacting with X2 to form FeX3. That FeX3 plus X2, it will convert that into FeX4 minus plus X positive. The first step is generation of electrophile, followed by addition of electrophile and the removal of proton to regain aromaticity. Okay, I'm not showing the mechanism, I'm directly writing the reaction. Benzene, उसके ऊपर X plus HX. What is the purpose of FeX3? It is acting like Lewis acid catalyst. It is used in the generation of electrophile. और जो X2 है, X अपना lone pair Fe के empty orbitals के अंदर देगा, which will result in the formation of FeX4 minus plus X positive. इधर नीचे लिख रहा हूँ that X2 on reaction with FeX3, it will convert into X positive plus FeX4 minus. So this is the electrophile. I hope सब लोग को ये याद है. Okay. I'm giving you an example. Please mark the product. You are having NO2 nitrobenzene. This on reaction with Br2 and Fe. What is the product? Answer?
उसके मेटा पे लगेगा.
Meta पे लगेगा. NO2 is electron withdrawing group or it is a meta director. If you are having electron releasing groups, they will be orthopara directors. And halogens, even though they are electron withdrawing groups, they are orthopara directors. आप लोग को इतना ही याद रखना है. बेंजीन के ऊपर अगर electron withdrawing groups है, apart from halogens, it will be a meta director. So आपको नाइट्रो यहाँ पे है तो इसके रेस्पेक्ट में मेटा पोजीशन पे here will be here. Okay, next reaction, very important reaction, Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. ये जो particular reaction है, it involves first the formation of benzene diazonium salt. मतलब क्या है? The starting material for the reaction is aniline, benzene, उसके ऊपर NH2. If you treat this with NaNO2 plus HCl, NaNO2 HCl, and you need to maintain the temperature very low. Very low क्यों रखना है समझाता हूँ. 0 to 5 degrees C. You can also use, in place of HCl, you can also use H2SO4. Okay. अभी ये जो NaNO2 और HCl जो है, ये दोनों react होके, these two react to form HNO2. This HNO2 is an unstable compound. So you cannot directly add HNO2. You will be preparing HNO2 during the course of the reaction. So you will be adding NaNO2 plus HCl, which will lead to the formation of HNO2. So this particular method is also referred to as in situ. In मतलब उस particular container के अंदर, उस particular vessel के अंदर बनाएंगे. That process is called as in situ. आप लोग को NCERT textbook में ऐसा दिखेगा. HNO2 is prepared in situ with the help of NaNO2 and HCl. Okay. So on reaction with HNO2, NH2 will be converting into a diazonium salt. N triple bond N, nitrogen 5 bonds बना, sorry 4 bonds बना रहा है इसलिए इसके ऊपर positive. You can have Cl minus if you are taking HCl. You can also have HSO4 minus if you are taking H2SO4. Okay. And this particular salt is called as benzene diazonium salt. If it is chlorine, it will be called as benzene diazonium chloride. If it is hydrogen sulfate, it is called as benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Okay. And you need to maintain the temperature as 0 to 5 degrees because ये जो benzene के ऊपर N2 है ना, N2 is very good leaving group because N2 is the most stable diatomic gas present on Earth. Okay, because of the triple bond, it has very high stability. So N2 is very good leaving group. If you are maintaining the temperature as 0 to 5 degrees, then only this N2 will be intact. नहीं तो ये immediately benzene बन जाता है. Okay. So as N2 is very good Lg leaving group, this low temperature is maintained. Okay. ठीक है. अभी हमको एक्चुअल में रिएक्शन में बनाना क्या है? You need to form aryl halide. So from benzene diazonium salt, ये जो benzene diazonium salt है, N2 being very good leaving group, it can be substituted by X minus. This on reaction with Cu2X2, where X is either chlorine or bromine. Cu2X2 में the oxidation state is Cu plus 1, hence it is cuprous halide. So the X minus will be substituting that particular N2 to form, इसके ऊपर X आ जाएगा, and you will get the byproduct as. Okay. Yeah, in a way the reaction is substitution reaction. Substitution nucleophilic on the aromatic ring, SNAR. Substitution nucleophilic on the aromatic ring, and this reaction was possible because N2 is a good leaving group. उसके वजह से possible हुआ ये. Substitution nucleophilic on the aromatic ring. Substitution nucleophilic on the aromatic compound. Okay. इसी केस में rather than using Cu2X2, if you are using Cu plus HX, Cu2X2 use नहीं कर रहे, you are using Cu plus HX. Again, X can be either chlorine or bromine. The product will be same, but the reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. It is not called as Sandmeyer. It is, in that case, it is called as Gattermann reaction. Okay. Is the reaction clear? First, there is formation of benzene diazonium salt. उसके लिए starting material aniline. Aniline with NaNO2 plus HCl or NaNO2 plus H2SO4, you will get benzene diazonium salt. You need to maintain the temperature as low because N2 is very good leaving group. That on reaction with Cu2H2, it will give you aryl halide. You can also use Cu plus HX. It will also give the same aryl halide. But in that case, the reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. Shall I go to the next reaction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो even just like alkyl halides में हमने alkyl chloride और alkyl bromide बनाया in order to form alkyl fluoride and alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide के लिए we used Finkelstein reaction, alkyl fluoride के लिए we used Schwarz reaction, two special reactions. Similarly इसमें भी aryl fluoride और aryl iodide बनाने के लिए special reactions है. जैसे इसमें Cu2X2 के साथ ये हो गया ना. If you want to replace that by fluorine or replace that by iodine, you need to again put some special reagents in order to form aryl fluoride. We use a reaction called Bols-Schiemann reaction. Bols-Schiemann reaction. First step involves formation of benzene diazonium salt, NaNO2, HCl, 0 to 5 degrees C. In the second step, you can either use HbF4 or AsF6 minus. इनका अलावा भी अगर कोई आपको न्यू रिएजेंट्स दिखा जिसमें फ्लोरीन है, आप लोग को एक्सपेक्ट कर लेना चाहिए. ओके, इससे ये बनेगा और जो फ्लोरीन है ओके वो फ्लोरीन रिप्लेस कर लेगा इन ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म एराइल फ्लोराइड. प्लस BF3 plus N2. Fourth reaction, there is no specific name for this, but you will be forming aryl iodide. NH2. In the first step, NaNO2, HCl, 0 to 5 degrees C. In the second step, add Ki. You will get iodobenzene. इनके अलावा there are some important reactions which will help in solving questions. In order to form aniline, aniline can be formed with the help of nitrobenzene. If you do reduction of nitrobenzene, reduction के लिए any active metal Sn or Fe or Zn, any active metal with HCl act as good reducing agent. So it will convert the nitrobenzene to aniline. Once you get aniline, you can convert that into benzene diazonium salt. Okay. So nitrobenzene कैसे बनाएंगे? Nitrobenzene can be formed with the help of EAS, benzene plus nitration mixture. Nitration mixture is concentrated H2SO4 plus concentrated HNO3. With the help of that, you can form nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene बनने के बाद उसका reduction करके you can get aniline. और एक important reaction है, if you have benzene diazonium salt, if you add H3PO2, it will result in the formation of benzene. Okay. These two are helpful reactions. You can use them for solving problems. कभी कभी दिखेगा. So are the preparation methods clear? ये सारी preparation methods है. One is a simple ES reaction where you will be using H2 plus Fe. Then Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction में you can form chlorobenzene, bromobenzene using Cu2H2 or Cu plus HX. For preparation of chlorobenzene and iodobenzene, there are again special reagents. You can use HBF4 for fluorobenzene. You can use Ki for iodobenzene. Solve this question. Convert benzene into metabromo iodobenzene in minimum steps. Convert benzene into metabromo iodobenzene in minimum steps. सोचो कैसे कर सकते हो? These are the steps for the preparation of bromo or chlorobenzene, and this is the step for the preparation of iodobenzene. क्या use कर सकते हो? You need to convert benzene into metabromo iodobenzene. Meta पे लगना चाहिए.
Sir, please question.
Sorry.
Sir, please question.
You need to convert benzene into metabromo iodobenzene in minimum number of steps. मतलब जो benzene है, you need to convert this into bromine, iodine. Both of them are meta to each other. Is this clear, Rosita?
हाँ sir.
Okay.
सर पहले नाइट्रोबेंजीन पे वो ब्रोमीन मेटा पे जाएगा और फिर
Okay.
वो नाइट्रो का ग्रुप हटा के फिर वहाँ पे आयोडीन लगा.
Very good. Very good, Zoya. सही है. समझ में आया बाकी लोग को? First you need to have, देखो सपोज आप लोग पहले ही ब्रोमिनेशन कर लिया, थोड़ा उल्टा और एक उल्टा सोचते हैं. सपोज आप लोग पहले ब्रोमिनेशन कर लिया, उसके बाद आयोडीनेशन करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ब्रोमिनेशन के लिए रिएजेंट क्या होगा? You can use Br2 in the presence of Fe, then you will get bromobenzene. इसके बाद आप नाइट्रेशन कर रहे हो तो concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. If you are doing nitration after bromination, अब ये जो Br है, is it orthopara director or meta director?
orthopara.
Orthopara director, because of steric hindrance, majority of the product will be a para product. So ये आने के बाद इसके ऊपर आप पहले स्टेप में NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees. उसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेप में if you are using Ki, then you will get parabromoiodobenzene. ओके, सो पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, आप लोग को नाइट्रोबेंजीन बनाना है. ये जो नाइट्रोबेंजीन है, it is an orthopara, sorry, it is a meta director. Then you will get bromine at meta position. Then you can convert the NO2 into iodine. Then you will get metabromoiodobenzene. So इससे नहीं हो पा रहे, क्या करना पड़ेगा, benzene first to do nitration, concentrated HNO3, concentrated. I hope सब लोग को ये याद है. Which will lead to the formation of nitrobenzene. This on reaction with Br2 plus Fe. NO2 Br in the second step use Ki. आ गया? Is this clear? Next question. Br2 in the presence of HNO, Br2 in the presence of Fe. Mark the products. Answer.
सर फर्स्ट में वो CH2Br होगा.
Very good. Second में
वो पैरा पे BR लगेगा.
पैर
Uh,
पैरा पे as well as ऑर्थो पे दोनों पे लगेगा, but the major product is para 1 because of the steric hindrance. Everyone, first में जो reagent है, it is Br2H nu. Br2H nu is the reagent for alpha halogenation, or it is the reagent for the halogenation on alkanes. ये जो देखो पाइप इधर डबल बॉन्ड है और यहाँ पे ये जो कार्बन है अल्फा कार्बन है, you can either use NBS or you can use Br2H nu. So it is the reagent for alpha halogenation. और ऐसा अल्काइल पार्ट के ऊपर जो भी हाइड्रोजन है वो सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा, ये अल्काइल पार्ट है, so ये सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा. So you will get the product as benzyl bromide. CH2Br. Br2Fe is the reagent for the attack on the benzene ring. ES reaction के लिए. So ये जो CS3 है, being electron releasing group, it is an ortho para director. So ortho plus CS3 Br, because of the steric hindrance, ortho will, sorry, para will be the major product. I hope this is clear to everyone. कितने लोगों ने यही प्रोडक्ट्स मार्क किया? आशुतोष तुमने मार्क किया क्या?
सर नीचे का सिर्फ ऑर्थो किया था, पैरा नहीं किया था.
Although we won't be the major product unless and until there are some special interactions at ortho position. मतलब जैसे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग या कुछ और इंटरेक्शन रहा तो then only ortho will be the major product. नहीं तो steric hindrance will always be
हेलो सर।
हेलो सर। सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हेलो सर।
It got disconnected. 2 minutes. डिस्कनेक्ट होने से पहले कहाँ तक सुना आप लोग?
सर सर वो रिएक्शन ऑफ पैरेलल आपने लिखा हो।
हाँ वो उधर तक ही सर।
कहाँ तक धर्मेश तुम बताओ।
रिएक्शन ऑफ
ओके रिएक्शंस ऑफ एराइल हैलाइड्स तक ही। ए वाला पार्ट भी नहीं सुना आप लोग?
नहीं सर।
नहीं सर आगे का कुछ नहीं सुना।
ओके ठीक है। Reactions of aryl halides, as aryl halide is also a benzene compound, the characteristic reaction will be one of the reaction will be ES reaction. In that X is deactivating group because for halogens minus I is greater when compared to the plus M, hence it is deactivating group. Deactivating का मतलब क्या है? The rate of reaction when compared to the normal benzene, unsubstituted benzene will be less. Benzene reacts faster when compared to aryl benzene. Reason being, X as it is withdrawing group, the electron density inside the ring gets decreased. वो कम हो गया. The electron density inside the benzene ring will be decreased. Hence, electrophile won't be approaching at a faster rate. Okay. And X is orthoparadirector because in the transition state, its lone pair और जो lone pair है वो lone pair देने के वजह से it will be stabilizing the transition state. If the attack is at ortho or para position, the transition state will be stabilized. If the attack is at meta position, the transition state won't be stabilized. इसकी वजह से वो ortho para director है. ठीक है. Next preparation method, preparation of next reaction, the preparation of aryl Grignard reagent. Aryl Grignard reagent के लिए preparation Rx plus Mg in the presence of dry ether. इस particular case में dry ether के place में you will be using tetrahydrofuran. It is also ether only, but it is a cyclic ether. As benzene is a cyclic compound, we are the solvent also we are using it as cyclic ether. Like dissolves like more and more. इसके वजह से cyclic ether लिया हमने. Okay, so it will lead to the formation of aryl Grignard reagent. What is the nature of the bond between a carbon and magnesium? What is the type? Covalent. It is not ionic. Okay, covalent, and it is predominantly polar. So problem solving purposes के लिए हम कार्बनियन बनेंगे करके मान जाएंगे. Okay. Reactivity order of different aryl halides. ARI is greater than, क्योंकि वो जो बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ है वो कम रहेगा ना, तो रिएक्शन जल्दी हो जाएगा. ArCl is greater than ArF. Okay. Again a standard question already हमने किया है, but फिर से मार्क करो. Anup, please tell me the answer for this.
हाँ सर.
And I'm giving you options also. Yeah, answer.
Sir, option C है ना?
Option C. Option C is the right answer. Everyone. Option C. Whenever you have Grignard reagent, it can act as a base as well as a nucleophile. If it has a chance for the acidic hydrogen, always it will prefer to act as base first, because acid-base reactions are the fast reactions. So CH3OH जो है polar protic है ना, it can furnish H positive. So it will be the carbanion formed by the Grignard reagent. It will be reacting with that H positive to form benzene, PHH. So answer is C. Most important question, most direct. Okay, next question. Next reaction, coupling reactions. Coupling reactions मतलब दो benzene rings मिला के you will be forming a product. Woods reaction देखा हमने, याद है? Alkyl halide plus sodium in dry ether, it will form higher alkane, and it is used for the formation of symmetrical alkanes. वैसा ही Woods reaction जैसा ही लगता है, which is called as Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction, where you will be using aryl halide, ArX. Again, you will be using sodium, 2Na, XAR, in the presence of dry ether.
Hello, sir. Hello.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Okay. I was discussing about the coupling reactions. Coupling reactions, just like in alkyl halides. पहले हमने Woods reaction के बारे में बात किया, where the alkyl halide will be reacting with another alkyl halide in the presence of sodium and dry ether, and it will be forming a higher alkane, which is preferred for the formation of symmetrical alkanes. करके कुछ बात किया हमने. वैसा ही there is Fittig reaction, where you will be using aryl halide in the presence of alkyl halide. The reagents are same. You are using sodium in the presence of triether, and you are getting AR. Okay. If you combine both these reactions, Woods reaction plus Fittig reaction, it is called as Woods-Fittig reaction. One reagent is alkyl halide and the other reagent is aryl halide. Okay. In the presence of sodium by triether, you will get ARR. You will definitely get mixture of products, but they can be separated. Okay. ठीक है. Franklin reaction करके हमने कुछ बात किया, where you have taken alkyl halide with zinc, alkyl halide plus zinc in dry ether, you will get again RR, that is called as Franklin reaction. वैसा ही इसमें there is Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction. In this case, you will be using copper. Copper, or it is red hot sealed copper tube. उसके अंदर डाल दो, you will get AR plus 2CuI. So, yeah, 2CuI. Okay. I hope this coupling reactions are clear. Next, very important. ये बताओ, can aryl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions? Or are aryl halides a good substrates in nucleophilic substitution reactions? Ashutosh.
हाँ सर
हाँ, I'm asking, are aryl halides a good substrate in nucleophilic substitution reactions? SN1, SN2.
है सर गुड सबस्ट्रेट है सर
Good substituent है?
हाँ सर वो
नहीं।
प्लस चार्ज
ठीक है, जोया तुम बताओ.
नहीं है सर वो
Why
phenyl
not?
carbocation
Because phenyl carbocation is unstable. It is not a good substrate in SN1 reaction because it will lead to the formation of phenyl carbocation, which is highly unstable. दूसरा SN2 reaction भी नहीं हो पाएगा because resonance के वजह से there is partial double bond character. So वो जो double bond को break करने के लिए ज़्यादा energy लगेगा, so SN2 reaction भी नहीं होगा. Okay. But there are some special cases or there are some special conditions where an aryl halide can have a substitution reaction. Okay. So वो उनके बारे में अभी हम discuss करेंगे. Very 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 important. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution. SNAR. I'm giving an example. Suppose if you have this compound on reaction with C2H5O minus, which is a negatively charged nucleophile with negatively charged, always we will have SN2 reaction. So जो fluorine है, it can be substituted by C2H5O minus, NO2, NO2. And let us see why is this reaction possible. इसका mechanism देखते हैं. और इस पहले एक general statement है, nucleophilic substitution on the aromatic compounds is possible if and only if you have very strong electron withdrawing groups with respect to the leaving group. If and only if you have very strong electron withdrawing groups, ortho and para, at ortho and para position with respect to the leaving group. अभी देखो NO2 is very strong electron withdrawing group, minus I as well as minus M. Okay, it is present at ortho and para position to the fluorine. उस reason के वजह से इसके ऊपर substitution हो पाया. Let us see the mechanism. Everyone please concentrate, very very important. The mechanism is also termed as addition elimination mechanism. मतलब पहले कुछ चीज add होगा, उसके बाद और एक चीज eliminate होगा. Hence overall it is also called as addition elimination mechanism. Okay. This is my step 1. Involves addition of nucleophile. Everyone please observe, very important. देखो have NO2 on this and double bond O minus उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव and double bond O minus इसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव. Then you have fluorine on this. Okay. The bond between carbon and fluorine, is it polar? Fluorine being more alternative, इसके ऊपर partial negative and उस कार्बन के ऊपर partial positive है. So the negatively charged nucleophile will be attracted towards that particular carbon. So जब वो ये attack करेगा इस कार्बन के ऊपर, ये जो pi bond है that will be shifted to this position, है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
Which will lead to formation of this transition state. यहाँ पे एक पाई बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन और यहाँ पे OC2H5 एंड कार्बन का बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया हमने और उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा इस कार्बन के ऊपर नेगेटिव एंड देन यू हैव एन डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड, देन यू हैव एन डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस पॉजिटिव. अभी वो जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है, कैन दैट नेगेटिव चार्ज go in resonance with the adjacent n double bond O?
हाँ.
Negative alternate pi bond. So there will be resonance. So जो negative charge बना, it got stabilized because of the resonance inside the molecule. So इसके वजह से जो structure मिलेगा, give me 2 minutes. Yeah, it will lead to double bond N bond O minus इसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे तो ऐसा ही है, यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन, यहाँ पे OC2H5, यही होगा.
हाँ.
ओके. फर्दर अभी मैं दो ही रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स दिखाया, और क्या हो सकता है, ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है इट विल कम हियर एंड ये जो पाई बॉन्ड है इट विल शिफ्ट हियर. सो नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ आने के बाद फिर से इस NO2 के अंदर भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो सकता है. So if you can see the negative charge which is attained by the transition state, it is being stabilized by the electron withdrawing groups attached at ortho and para positions. If the electron withdrawing group is attached at meta position, वो जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है कभी उस मेटा पोजीशन पे नहीं आएगा, वो मेटा पोजीशन पे नहीं आया तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं हुआ तो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट उतना ज्यादा स्टेबल नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या हो रहे हैं सब समझो. ये स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स की वजह से यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज बढ़ रहा है. एक तो फ्लोरीन की वजह से बढ़ा, दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज बढ़ा. इतने ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज देखते ही this particular nucleophile is attacking on this particular carbon. If there is no sufficient positive charge on the aryl halides, the substitution reaction is very difficult, and this is not a usual SN1 SN2 mechanism. SN1 में क्या होता है, पहले कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा, SN2 में क्या होता है, डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाता है. बट इसमें क्या हो रहा है, सबसे पहले it is going and attacking on the carbon which is leading to the breaking of this particular pi bond. So that particular step is addition of nucleophile. First there is addition of nucleophile. So overall इसका resonance hybrid draw किया तो once observe everyone, I am drawing the resonance hybrid. यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन और एक ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर एक नेगेटिव चार्ज बाई 2, क्योंकि वो खुद का नेगेटिव चार्ज तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा ना बाई 2। यहाँ पे भी एक नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन नेगेटिव बाई 2। Here you have fluorine attached is OC2H5. उसके अलावा और जो पाई बॉन्ड है, the pi bond is distributed, और जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है it is distributed like this. Similarly यहाँ पे भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ। इनके अलावा देखो नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ से यहाँ तक रेजोनेंस में है, so there is also distribution in this particular part, so I can show that as ऐसा करके इधर नेगेटिव। This is the resonance hybrid. Any doubt? Any doubt?
नहीं सर।
No, sir.
Okay. This is step 1. Step 2 में क्या होगा? Elimination of the leaving group. NO2 यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है in the step 2 this will be forming the pi bond back and this fluorine will act as leaving group. हो गया substitute fluorine. In the place of fluorine, we got OC2H5. We have NO2 here, NO2 plus F minus. Once observe steps 1 and 2, and tell me which is the rate determining step. Yes, step 1 है, this is step 2. Out of these two steps, which is the rate determining step, which is the slow step? Kujita, out of these two steps, which is the slow step?
So first one.
First one, ऐसा क्यों लगा आपको?
सर क्योंकि वहाँ पर रेजोनेंस है तो
रेजोनेंस है तो
हाँ सर, मतलब स्टेबिलिटी गेन करने के लिए वो स्लोली प्रोसीड करेगा।
स्टेबिलिटी गेन करने के लिए स्लोली प्रोसीड करेगा। नॉट द राइट आंसर।
एरोमेटिक रिंग ब्रेक हो रही है ना, तो
वेरी
फर्स्ट
गुड,
स्टेप स्लो होगी।
सही है, वेरी गुड। देखो स्लो रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप मतलब स्लो स्टेप है ना। इफ समथिंग इज कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम अ स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल टू एन अनस्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल देन इट विल हैपन वेरी स्लोली। स्टार्टिंग में वो एरोमेटिक है upon addition of that particular C2H5O minus, it is losing its aromaticity. So ये जो particular step पे धीरे होगा. Second step में देखो, upon elimination of F minus, you are getting regaining aromaticity. So this will be a fast step. It is converting from a relatively unstable compound to a stable aromatic compound. So this is fast. In the first step, it is losing its aromaticity. Hence, it is a slow step or rate determining step. Okay. So first step is the RDS. So based on first step, I can write the rate as rate is equals to K into concentration of aryl halide into concentration of nucleophile. Rate equals to K times concentration of ARX into concentration of NU. So what is the order of the reaction? What is the order?
Second.
Order is 2. And what is the molecularity?
2.
2.
Please try to be active. मैं इतना चिल्ला के पढ़ा रहा हूँ. डॉक्टर ने मुझे दो वीक रेस्ट लेने के लिए कहा. आप लोग के लिए आके पढ़ा रहा हूँ. आप लोग you are not even trying to answer. Order is 2 and molecularity is also 2. Okay.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. अब ये बताओ, what will be the, सोच के बताओ थोड़ा. सबसे पहले in case of alkyl halides, what is the reactivity order in SN2? But alkyl fluoride, alkyl chloride, bromide, iodide, what is the reactivity order in SN2? I'm not asking about aryl halides. I'm asking about alkyl halides. मैं तो इधर लिख रहा हूँ in SN2 reactivity order for RF,
RF
RCl,
less than RCl less than RBr less than RI.
yeah, it is RF less than, RCl less than, RBr less than RI. That is based on the leaving group, right? Weaker the base, better is the leaving group. उसके वजह से ये order है. In case of aryl halides, what is the order of reactivity? बताओ. In case of aryl halides, what will be the order of reactivity? Take a guess.
सेम ही होगा.
सेमी होगा. सेमी होगा करके क्यों बोल रहे हो? Because weaker the base, better is the leaving group. उसके हिसाब से आप लोग कुछ बता रहे हैं. But in this case, you should not be worried about nature of the leaving group because ये जो second step है, the second step is not the determining step. ये fast है. So इधर फ्लोरीन हो, क्लोरीन हो, ब्रोमीन हो, आयोडीन हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा यहाँ पे सेकंड स्टेप में. बट फर्स्ट स्टेप में देखो, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज एडिशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल. इस पर्टिकुलर कार्बन पे जितना ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज आप लोग को दिखेगा उतना ही जल्दी जाके अटैक करेगा. मानते हो? सो इस कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज कौन रहने से ज्यादा रहेगा? फ्लोरीन रहने से या क्लोरीन रहने से, ब्रोमीन रहने से, आयोडीन रहने से?
Fluorine रहने से.
Fluorine, because fluorine is the most electronegative element. So the order of reactivity in case of aryl halides is AR, ARF greater than, ARCl greater than, ARBr greater than, ARI. Very, 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 very important. Okay. In case of alkyl halides, ulta hai, because there is only one step in SN2 reaction. उसमें the breaking of C bond X is involved. Hence, it is the determining factor. Okay. Weaker the base, better is the leaving group. वो जल्दी जाने की वजह से और reactivity order बढ़ेगा. इस केस में the rate determining step involves the addition of nucleophile, which will be added at a faster rate if the positive charge on the carbon is seen more. That can happen more and more with the help of fluorine. I hope this is clear. Okay,
हाँ
ठीक है. Presence of electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para positions to the halogens. Presence of electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para positions to the halogens increases the rate of reaction. Can I say that? जितना ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होते जाएंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स उतना ही जल्दी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन भी बढ़ेगा. ओके. और एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अभी जो बात किया हमने, इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू न्यूक्लियोफिलिक substitution in alkyl halides, where alkyl fluorides were almost unreactive they are very reactive in aryl halides. They are very reactive in aryl halides, provided if an electron withdrawing group is present. ये होना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट एट ऑर्डर एंड पैरा पोजीशन. अगर नहीं है तो फिर से नॉट रिएक्टिव या नो रिएक्शन करके लिखेंगे. Okay, is the statement clear?
हाँ
Okay, I will give you 2 questions. Solve those questions. We will wrap the session.
सर वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप्स और दोनों पे होने चाहिए या सिर्फ एक पे होगा तो चलेगा?
इन जनरल दोनों पे होने से रिएक्शन जल्दी हो जाएगा, बट एक पे ही रहा समटाइम्स वी विल बी गिवन क्वेश्चंस if it is present even at one position, then also reaction can happen. But the reactivity will be less. Okay, products में आप लोग का आंसर में substitution होते हुए ही दिखेगा, so you can mark the answer. But if you want to have good reactivity, both the groups must be both the positions must be occupied by electron withdrawing group.
हाँ सर.
Thank you. ध्यान से सोच के आंसर करना। या
सर पहले में ब्रोमीन की जगह OCH3
पहले
ब्रोमीन की जगह OCH3 आ जाएगा।
ओके गुड। फ्लोरीन रिप्लेस नहीं होगा क्या? बिकॉज फ्लोरीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव इन सब्स्टिट्यूशन व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू ब्रोमीन ना। फ्लोरीन रिप्लेस नहीं होगा?
वो ऑर्थो
वो मेटा पे ना।
वो मेटा पोजीशन पे है। वेरी गुड। So the answer is even though fluorine is more reactive, that cannot be replaced here because it is present at meta position. So bromine will be replaced CH3, यहाँ पे fluorine, यहाँ पे NO2. Good. Next question में answer.
Cl होगा।
Cl again Cl substitute नहीं होगा because Cl is at which position? This is at meta position. Okay.
हिंडर्ड होगा ना वो,
Sorry.
सेंट्रल हाइड्रेंस होगा ना, मतलब C2H5O- और NO2।
रुचिता सुनाई नहीं दिया, फिर से।
सर स्टेरिक हाइड्रेंस होगा ना, मतलब NO2 और C2H5O- दोनों भी बल्कि ग्रुप्स है।
बल्कि ग्रुप से ठीक है, वो मानता हूँ मैं, बट पहले सबसे पहले क्लोरीन तो रिप्लेस नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज दिस इज एट मेटा पोजीशन. Aromatics nucleophilic substitution is possible if and only if you have electron withdrawing groups at ortho and para position. So ये वाला पार्ट तो रिप्लेस नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज दिस इज एट मेटा पोजीशन. दूसरा ये यहाँ पे दिस इज नॉट एरोमेटिक फ्लोराइड, ये अल्काइल के ऊपर जाके लगा ना. So here you will be having an SN2 reaction. Already मैंने नीचे आंसर भी लिख दिया गलती से. So you will have an SN2 reaction on the alkyl carbon to form यहाँ पे O C2H5 ये लगेगा and you will be having NO2. मैं दोनों इस साइड लिखने की वजह से आप लोग को स्टीरिक हिंड्रेंस लग रहा होगा, ये इस साइड एडजस्ट होगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Cl. Okay. At meta position with respect to electron withdrawing group, hence cannot be replaced. Is this clear?
हाँ सर.
End of aryl fluorides chapter, aryl fluorides part. In the next lecture, we will be solving questions from alkyl and aryl halides. After that, we will move to alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Okay. Thank you, everyone. एक मिनट रुको आप लोग.